Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Happy November the 9th. Okay, so I am en route to go get oh, too close behind this truck. I'm en route to go get some paint. You guys already know, I think I told you guys already that go the way I was trying to go. What happened? They got the whole road blocked up. But anyway, I think I told you guys that I was painting the bedroom wall, the back wall behind the bed, and then also I decided to paint the office. Yes, I did. She did. Yeah, I'm trying to drive too, so bear with me. But yeah, I'm gonna paint the back of the office wall where my desk is. And I kind of decided that because that room doesn't have any like to it. You know what I mean? Like a it's nice and all, but it don't have that, I don't know, it's just not giving me what I want. So I have decided to paint it, okay? So I'm gonna bring you guys along the process of me painting the wall. And I don't know if you guys will get this video. I know for a fact you won't get it no time soon. So the part of me getting the paint, and I gotta still show you guys what I picked up from the bins, right? That will come in this same video. So you might get this video maybe in 2 more days. So I'll see you guys once we get in Home Depot, all right? So guys, these are the colors I'm trying to go with. This is bear. This is the bear. But I don't think I'm gonna do bear. I'm gonna do something else, but I'm gonna try to find colors that I need next to it. Dark, like a charcoal. I like this one. And I like, oh, that's too much black. That's too much black. Let's see what this one is. This one, limousine leather. I like that. So we'll figure it out. We'll find Sherwin-Williams also. Yeah, they don't carry Sherwin-Williams on there. Carry this one here and the bear. Sorry, y'all. Somebody is screaming in here. So let's see. This is the other one. So we'll see if they can match one of these colors. This one's $9.50, and then I'll go with. She told me to go with that one to look better.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
She said don't do the black because I showed her the other color and she said it wouldn't look right. So we're going with PPG. No, I'm on this thing here. For $9. Yeah, I am. Yeah. And I'm gonna do, she said don't do the black, so we're gonna do the dark gray. So guys, hopefully you're following me. The lady just told me don't do the Dynasty Mass limousine leather. She told me to do that gray color, which he has, to go with the, he's gonna pull up the repost gray so he can see which one. So hold the line, y'all. But this paint right here was on sale for $9.50, so that was a really good deal. Y'all already know she's super happy about that already, right? Yeah. So let's get into it. Okay, now which one? So which one do you think?
Between the black and this?
Yep. It's just a back wall. You know how you have like a wall that's just like a.
Yeah.
Let's see. These are $1.88. These right here. So y'all better go check out y'all Home Depot. They got a lot of markdowns on stuff. Look at all that. I'm gonna grab a couple of these for people. Yes, I am. All right, y'all. So we were successful with this paint, y'all. I'm so happy about that. Hold on for a second. Let me get to this Wendy's. I had to get me something to eat, y'all. I'm so hungry. They don't have nothing that I can eat but French fries and a Frosty. Hold the line, please. Hold on, y'all. I don't have nowhere to place, y'all. Really, I don't. I want to show y'all something. I could not believe, like, I could not believe the soap. This is why I don't eat out, because people take forever to give you your stuff. Huh? Oh. Yeah, I called my daughter and I was telling her about, okay, thank you. Let me see if these fries is any good. But I called my daughter to see if ooh, these fresh too. She's talking about get 3 of them soaps. Get a whole lot of them soaps. I need my card and receipt. Thank you. She like, get 3 of those. No, she told me to get a whole lot of them. But he said, thank you. But the thing is that it don't matter if stuff be on sale. I don't want to have a whole heap of things. I still got all those, I'm gonna have to pull up, y'all. I still have all of those body sprays that I bought that I have to figure out who I'm gonna give them to. But guys, the soaps were, let me show y'all. I'm about to tear these fries up, y'all. I'm so hungry. These right here, I was trying to show y'all, are $1.88. So I asked the lady, why were they like that? I did get through just 3. I asked her why was they like that, and she said they have so many like different things, antibacterial things, wipes and stuff like that. So she said what it is that they have so much they got to get rid of, so they just mark them down. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my fries, and I probably will see you guys a little bit later. Okay? Hey guys, happy November the 10th. Welcome back to another video. I know a day later or whatnot, but today, in today's video, we are going to go over some luxury home decor items that I found from the bins. And I'm also going to show you guys a coffee table book that some people probably would not like as a coffee table book, but guess what? I do, and I want to share it with you. And I'm going to show you something else as a coffee table piece that you probably wouldn't like, but I do. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. All right, guys, hopefully you guys can see this area here. So I'm going to lift the camera up after I just show you guys what I'm talking about. So I got my candle lit here, which I absolutely love, with my black beads here. But guys, the other day I stopped in Goodwill when I was near one to see if I can find another coffee mug. So I didn't, but I'll show you what I did find from 2 different Goodwills. So one of the Goodwills that I stopped at, I love this wood sign. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's natural wood, has potato burlap rope or whatever you want to call it, rope right here. This is all 100% wood, guys. I love this. So you know how some people like the bead, we like beads, and we like the knotted metal, which I am going to look for one. Hopefully I might have to go to a Ross. I will splurge on that to get one of those things, because I'm going to show you what I'm going to need, what I think I'm going to do with that. But anyway, I thought this was so cute, guys, to lay on top of this beautiful book, y'all. I got this book for $1.50, guys. This is Harlem Street Portraits by Harvey Stein, okay? Guys, this is absolutely beautiful. And it kind of reminds me of like some red bottoms, which I don't have any, but I love the fact that it has the red in the inside. And guys, it just showcases all black portraits, okay, of people from in Harlem. And then it gives a little story of the author in the front. I just absolutely love this, guys. If you guys don't know, I am from New York, okay? I am from the Boogie Down production, okay? Like, really. So that's probably why I say guys a lot. That's just a New Yorker thing. I'm sorry, but it's true. But guys, it just tells a lot about the author, and he loved to take photos and things like that. So just this book, y'all, just look at these beautiful pictures. Let me see if I can let me show y'all. Do y'all see these beautiful pictures? Look at these beautiful pictures. Look at that. Oh my gosh, y'all, I love it. Sorry for the light like that, but it's absolutely beautiful. So this is the front of it. Guys, this book was $45. I'm trying to get so you guys can really see that. This book was $45. So anyway, I just wanted to show you guys that this is how I styled this book here, okay? I absolutely love how I did this. I just set the hello sign, so I'm gonna show you really quickly, okay? And then y'all know that looks amazing. Y'all know that's amazing. From this angle, that's amazing. So yeah, so we're gonna keep going. Y'all, it's almost 7 o'clock in the evening, and I got all the lights up. It looks good in here. I'm glad I got that glow. OOTD of the day, guys. Y'all know my leggings with the glittery t-shirt cardigan. She's simple. So anyway, let's get into this luxury decor haul. I can't wait to show you guys. So you guys know I showed you in the previous video, I went to the bins. I just didn't tell you I was going to the bins, but I picked up 2 luxury items. I just want to show them to y'all real quick. Now, don't get me wrong. This one here has a defect. There is a piece of wood missing, but we're not going to worry about that. So you probably can see it just a little bit. But once I turn this around in another part of this table, you're not going to see it. Guys, this is an Acadia. What is it? Y'all know that wood. Acadia. Guys, this is beautiful. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this beautiful wood tray? This is so pretty. Look at that. Look at that. Now, this is the side that have a problem, but we're going to work on that. It's a little loose here, and it done came loose. But, guys, this is what I picked up from the bins. The gentleman gave me this for $3. You can't go wrong, even though there's something wrong with it. I already have a nail in there. I'm going to fix this. But, guys, I hauled this for $3. This, by itself, is $80. Go do some research on it. This is absolutely beautiful. Like I said, she's going to work on it, but I just wanted to show you guys. So this, so far, it looks good on my dining room table. And y'all know, I think I told you I struggle with putting stuff on my dining room table because I just like the table to be clear and free. But I'm going to probably leave this on the table once I get it, worked on. And I'm going to add my coasters to it. And with the metal knot thing that I told you guys, if I can find one for low, like at Ross, I'm going to get it and put it on here. So this is the first thing I picked up. Guys, told you guys I don't know if I told you. I probably didn't. Do y'all see this beautiful lamp here? Now, the base is not correctly on there. But, guys, do y'all see this beautiful lamp here? This lamp was $5. It's going in my office on my desk. It is the same color as the accent pieces on my desk. Just imagine once I paint the back wall of my office, this is going to blend so beautiful. So this was $5. And like I said, it is a nice glass acrylic bronze, antique brass, I'll put it. Antique, it's an antique gold. Bottom is absolutely beautiful for $5. So these are the 2 luxury home decor items that I scored from the bins. And guys, you know I stopped at Home Depot. Please go out and get you some. The Apothecary Home Hand Soap Antibacterial. Guys, these are $188, so I got 2. I actually got 3. I dropped one off to my daughter, so I got 2. I'll decide on where the other ones go. And I also picked up the paint, guys, because guess what? She's ready to get started on her back wall, accent wall for the bedroom, and accent wall for the office. And she's ready. Got my roller, got my stick. And this is the color that I went with. Guys, I actually could not do the black because it wouldn't look right. And the lady that was there was very helpful and friendly. I showed her some of my videos, and she's a subscriber now. She loves it. So I went with the Bear Satin Black, if you're wondering. And it is the Dynasty Marquee. And it's only 1 coat that you need. So this is the color. If you guys can see, I'm looking at myself in the thing. So that is the color that I'm going with. So guys, I will see you guys in another video. I hope you guys enjoyed tuning into today's video and yesterday's video. We're going to get started in a couple of days with that. We're going to start with the office first, and then we're going to work our way to the room. Because I want my lamp. I want to see how much the lamp is just going to flow. Look how pretty. Look how pretty she is. Look how pretty she is. All right, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for tuning in. Bye, y'all. And don't forget, love yourself so that you'll be able to love others. So this world will be a much better place. Bye.